Power, arrogance, natural order, and the brutality of existence is the main theme of the Ted Hughes' famous poem Hawk Roasting. Hawk Roasting is a dramatic monologue in which Hawk speaks as a symbol of power, dominance, and control. The hawk perched at the top of the food chain represents the idea of absolute power, seeing itself as the ultimate ruler of nature. The poem can be interpreted as a commentary on dictatorship, showing the mindset of an authoritarian ruler who believes in their divine right to control and dominate. It also reflects Hughes' view of nature as both beautiful and merciless, where survival depends on strength and instinct.